my name is Melanie Brown. I'm the Community Relations Manager over at Digby Place Assisted Living here in Lafayette. I am here with Trent Riley. He is a clinical liaison as well as physical therapy assistant at Lafayette Regional Rehabilitation Hospital. So many times I get a phone call from a panicked adult child. My mom is falling, she's not safe at home, I don't know what to do, she's not going to move to an assisted living facility. What do I do? That's where I thought you guys could come in, maybe give us some tips and tricks for environmental hazards, physical tips to maintain agility, and then utilizing technology, things like that. I'm sure you have a lot of tricks up your sleeve to keep folks safe in any environment, be it in their home or in an assisted living environment. So I'm going to kind of turn it over to you as an expert and just kind of talk through some of those things. So what would you say is, some of the statistics surrounding falls that you guys see on a frequent basis?
Yeah, so I pulled some statistics from the CDC, and just to find out, how prevalent are falls happening, because we see them here at our hospital, and we know you take care of them at your facility, but the CDC shows that 1 in 4 Americans that are age 65 and older fall every single year, and falls result in over 2.8 million injuries that are treated in the ER, and then a large number of those are having to stay in the hospital for some type of treatment or surgery, and it can cause over 27,000 deaths per year. So it's okay, what can we do? How can we improve on these numbers, not only just in our community, but throughout, throughout the states to lower this, because the cost is substantial. There's over $50 billion each year that is spent in recovery from these falls. So the numbers, they show how big of an issue or big of a problem that this is, and is there something that we can do to make this, to prevent it or to decrease your fall risk?
Right. When I get those phone calls, we know it's a problem. Obviously, our solution is, okay, let's get your mother to move into an assisted living. We can't guarantee, nor can any facility guarantee, that they're never going to fall again. The goal is to lessen that response time. So many times I talk to grown children that live out of state, and they don't get to come home and visit, their family, but then they learn, oh my gosh, my dad has fallen and he might have laid on the floor for 4 hours, and just the heartache that goes along with that, and the physical worry about their well-being. So what types of tips can you give as far as environmental, if somebody is not ready to make a move into a facility right away?
So some things that, in the environment within your home, we make suggestions to our patients, if there's steps to enter into the house, would a ramp make sense? Would maybe some railing to be able to safely enter and exit your home? Railings around the bathroom, because a lot of falls happen within the bathroom, getting in and out of the tub. Maybe you need a bench that goes into your tub to help with, maybe to sit on to be able to take your shower. Having proper lighting is very important too as well, especially at night. We have some patients that will put night lights in, so once they're up, those lights will move to be able to have an area for when they're going to the bathroom that it's safe and it's lit up for them. Also, if there's like area rugs or small rugs that are loose within your home, we suggest to pick those up. Yes, they look nice, but they are a big hazard. And I've taken care of a lot of patients that have fallen just simply from their walker getting stuck on it or their foot getting stuck on that rug, and then they fall and sustain like either a head injury or a hip fracture. So, and also good footwear is valuable as well. So making sure you have good footwear that is safe and that you move well in. And then as far as, that next level from the environment is what can you do personally? And, of course, talking with your doctor, making sure that there's certain activities that they feel that you're safe to participate in. And then I always like to tell patients, it's, you want to choose something that you're going to that you want to continue to do, that you're going to enjoy. Pickleball has been very popular, at least in our area. They have indoor facilities and outdoor a volleyball, or even just they have a sneakers group that goes to the mall and they walk a couple days a week. So, whatever it is, you want to enjoy. And I also say it's never too early to start, and it's never too late to begin an activity. So, if it's something that you've been kind of like, gosh, I need to get involved in something. Whether you have Parkinson's or other disabilities that limit what you can do, the more that you can do now is going to pay dividends even years down the road.
Right. We echo that as well. Don't wait until it's too late to start looking into assisted living, because if you do that, then you're not going to be able to enjoy all of the extra amenities. A lot of seniors, especially with or without a pandemic, they suffer from isolation and loneliness. So if they enter into an assisted living facility while they're still a little bit more agile and can enjoy some of those additional activities, I think that just helps keep everybody healthier, mind, body, and spirit. So anything else that you want to share as far as, whether somebody was coming from home or from a facility like Digby Place? Can you guys do outpatient therapy, or is it strictly inpatient? What does that look like?
So we do both inpatient and outpatient services here at Lafayette Regional Rehab Hospital. And just like at your facility, to be able to, if somebody was there for assisted living and would need home health therapy to prevent, maybe come up with some activities, some exercises to improve that balance, man, it goes a long, long way. So here, we do outpatient is a big part. So we'll have some patients that maybe had a fall and they want to decrease that chance of falling there. You can substantially decrease your fall risk with guided therapy, which the therapist is able to focus on your deficits to make those be a strength, hopefully try to improve on those. And it really does take kind of an expert to kind of come alongside and guide you in that program. We have lots of different machinery here, activities, and it's a safe environment to try to improve on those areas.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much. I think we've provided some great tips for anybody out there watching. Thanks for your time. And if you have any questions about either assisted living or outpatient physical therapy, give one of us a call. Thanks so much.